Right, so hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to fix Bluetooth device not working on Windows 11. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your start button right here and you're going to type in troubleshoot. Okay, open that, and here in your other troubleshooters you can click on other troubleshooters. Okay, and then you're going to go to Bluetooth right here and click on this button right here, run. So when you click run, it will run a troubleshoot on your Bluetooth to see if there's any problem with the Bluetooth device or if there's any issues. So it will take a while, so be patient, and if there's no issues found by the troubleshooter, let's move on to the next step. So for the next step, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your start button, right click on it and click on device manager. Here I don't have my Bluetooth device connected, but if you do, what you're going to do is you're just going to click, for example, I'm going to use my battery right here, but you should do this on your Bluetooth device. Right click on your Bluetooth device and make sure it says disable device and not enable. If it says enable, you're just going to click on it. If it says disable, you're just going to leave it. Okay, so once you make sure that the device is enabled, you're just going to restart your computer. Okay, just restart your computer, and you can go back into your Bluetooth settings and you can try. So next, what you want to do is you're going to search for Bluetooth right here. Let's see here, Bluetooth and other devices settings, and here you can add your Bluetooth device. Click on add device, click on Bluetooth, and make sure since I don't have a Bluetooth device connected, it will show this error, but if you have a Bluetooth device, it should be searching for device, and make sure your device is on pairing mode. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope this video solved your issue with your Bluetooth devices. Do support by leaving a like, sharing and subscribing. That's all for me. Thanks for watching, folks.